Pretty quick unboxing. I just want to show you this. Just purchased this. We're gonna set it up, unbox it. It's a whole video. Later on, after a few months, I will be doing a review on it. Can't really review it until I test it out for a few weeks at least, see whether it's a good buy or not. It does carry a 1-year exchange warranty from Canadian Tire, so it's a good thing. And let's see what's in the box. You guys get that, you guys get this. It's supposed to be easy to assemble. I don't see why it would be hard, but we'll see. Sometimes these things don't make sense. I'm pretty sure this is not part of this thing, but I'm gonna leave it there. And here we go. As for assembly instructions, I don't see any anywhere. I don't know. But should be easy anyways. See why this would be hard. Hopefully we don't get any extra parts, so we don't know where they go. Let's start with the base. So that's the base. Look on top. Okay, so it looks. Go. Let's see, we are getting this. So let's see if I can focus that into the camera so you guys can see what we got here. So that's what we got. Anyways, I'll open this up and keep working on everything else. So anyways, open this up. Open there. And we're supposed to take this away. Alright. Now this will go like so. Alright. The bottom portion, because we'll see, this goes like so. Okay. After we set this up, we're gonna start with the chair. Now you guys should check your chairs and all that before you assemble anything. They could have rips or anything like that around it, so make sure to check that out. Okay, make sure everything's good, and then start setting things up. So here you have some arrows that tell you what to do. They do tell you what to clean this with and all that stuff. It's pretty useful. Anyways, so before we actually do the rest of the setup, we're gonna assemble this part. So we're gonna put that right there. And we already have the screws, so we're gonna set that up right now. Now you will have an arrow here and an arrow there, but pretty much just look at this area should go with the front of your chair. That's pretty much it. It's pretty logical. I'm glad they put arrows there so you can verify that. You can also verify that by the picture that comes on the box. If you don't have the box for some reason, then this video is good for you guys. You may not have instructions like me, so this video will give you a guide how to do all this. Okay, so make sure this is nice and tight. However, you don't want to overdo it. After all, these things, they don't make them with wood anymore or anything that's good. so I wouldn't trust putting too much pressure on this. And after that, all you guys have to do is slide it on, like so. And you guys should be done at this point. So there's nothing else that you guys need to put here. Just make sure that this is working. So just push this up. There you go. Push this down. Well, I'm gonna need to put some weight on it in order to push this down. Okay, so this is how tall the chair is. I'm about 5'6", 5'7". Actually no, 5'7", 5'8". So that's how big this chair is for me. It's pretty good. Now to push it down, you guys just have to press on the lever, but you don't have to be sitting on it. Now, before I press anything, you guys will see that it does lower just a tad when I sit on it. Just a tad, okay? Then you guys just have to press the lever, it'll go down, okay? So that's the size that it goes once it's done. Alright, that's down. Now, I want it to go up. Let's go up. There we go. Does it feel secure? Feels okay. Doesn't feel 100%, but it feels okay. It's one of the best ones that I found in Canadian Tire. The other ones were a little bit too flimsy. This seemed okay, and it seemed pretty tall. That's what I was looking for. Something really, really tall. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys like it, have any questions about how to do this, if, for example, you have this part that's not going in properly, just make sure to do them all at the same time. Don't just do one screw at a time, do them all at the same time, so that way everything goes in correctly. Other than that, this chair looks pretty good. I'll be doing a review on it anyways, so you guys can see whether it's worth it or not. And if you guys do want to push it down, you have to put kind of a lot of force, so that's why I was sitting on it. Anyways, again, if you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.